everyone, it's Bishoy here from Beshoymix. Welcome back to a brand new video. It's been a long time since I last uploaded. I'm sorry and I will try to upload as much as possible. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day because my day is indeed wonderful. Today I'm back with unboxing the brand new beast, the iPhone 13 Pro Sierra Blue. So enough talking and let's begin. Okay guys, here we are. Here is the box. It's amazing as usual, not much different from last year's. This iPhone comes in 4 different models: iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and iPhone 13 Mini. There are 4 options for colors: gold, silver, graphite, and the brand new Sierra Blue. There are 4 options for storage: 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and 1 terabyte. What I have right here is iPhone 13 Pro, Sierra Blue color, and 256 gigabyte for storage. So let's unbox this beast. Okay guys, here it is. I'm really excited. Ooh. Opening up the box, we can see this amazing iPhone with this beautiful color. So let's keep it aside for now and let's check what's in the box. Here we got USB-C to lightning cable, and last but not least, paperwork, instruction, SIM ejecting tool, and of course Apple stickers. Now let's get back to this beauty. The color amazes me. It's like a light blue shade, which is amazing. Here are the cameras. They look a little bit bolder and larger compared to the iPhone 12 Pro. These are Pro 12 megapixel telephoto, wide and ultra wide cameras. You can capture really amazing shots and videos with this. Now let's take a look at the screen. Let's take this off. Ooh, such an amazing screen. iPhone 13 Pro screen is 6.1 inch. On the other hand, iPhone 13 Pro Max screen is 6.7 inch. As you can see, Apple changed the style of the notch. They kind of made it a less wider and a little bit longer. We also got the front facing camera, which is also 12 megapixel. This beast is also splash, water and dust resistance. On the right side we got the power button. On the left side we got the volume up, volume down, vibration switch, and the SIM tray. Speaking of that, this comes in dual SIM, nano SIM and eSIM. On the bottom there is the mic, speaker, and the charging port. The stainless steel border is amazing. It feels really good in the hand and gives it a great grip. Let's take a last look at the phone. Honestly, it's an amazing color, and that's really obvious. The stainless steel border gives it a good grip, as I mentioned before, and it also feels like really good in the hand. And that's gonna be it for the unboxing. Okay guys, it's gonna be it from the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching. If there's any recommendations, drop it down in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Beshoymix.